case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Indiana became the battleground for a highly compelling case centered around an unsigned amendment to a land lease. This complex case, Kusper v. Pole Farms, Inc., has helped expound how certain contracts, which may not be in writing and signed by both parties, can still be enforceable under the doctrine of part performance if they involve leases over 3 years. The root of the lawsuit was sparked by a disagreement between the plaintiffs, the Kuspers, Joseph, Kathleen, and Levame, and the defendants, Gordon Pole and Pole Farms, Inc. It was regarding a purported Second Amendment to a farmland lease. Despite this amendment never being signed, the Kuspers argued it had effectively been adopted by both parties as they had been performing their obligations under its terms. An attempt by the defendants to dismiss Count 2 of the complaint, relating to the supposed breach of the unsigned Second Amendment, escalated tensions. They maintained that recognizing the Kuspers' claims would infringe upon Indiana's statute of frauds. The Kuspers had originally leased the farmland and farm buildings to David Percival for hog production. Ultimately, a First Amendment to the lease extending its term was executed between the Kuspers and Percival. This lease was subsequently assigned to Pole and his farming business. The court, however, stood with the Kuspers. It ruled that, in light of Indiana's law and the doctrine of part performance, they were entitled to pursue their complaint regarding the breach of the Second Amendment to the lease. The defendants' bid to dismiss both counts 2 and 4 failed. On the other hand, the Kuspers' claim for unjust enrichment ultimately fell short and was deemed dismissible since it involved a subject matter already governed by an express contract between the disputing parties.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.